Okay, my YouTube friend, I'm sheltering you from the rain because it's freaking raining. Gotta hide under my coat. We're almost there. Can you guess where I'm going? Hey, there's water in it. Oh. Let's go work on that. Holding water. Yeah. Okay, so the arbor isn't holding water. Okay. What that is. Pulls a little bit there. Okay, chill around there.
Whatever.
The water is in the river rocks. Yeah. All the water's in the river rocks.
Yeah. Water goes down in there.
Sorry, you're gonna wet. I need to get you wet.
So then it'll overflow to there, and eventually it'll get into that little ditch that we made over there.
This is wee stuff.
Okay.
You did
I have a
that.
mouse in my pocket.
You did that. That was all you, buddy. What the heck? Oh. Let's put tea lights in there. I don't know what else to do with them.
I noticed
They're like little mini
there
floaters.
isn't really a whole lot of water running down the driveway.
There's in the corner, there's some.
Pretty well captured.
Yeah, I'm walking around in sandals. Only water getting in is from the top.
Yeah, so into all the organic matter we've added. Pretty good.
There's a street.
Huh.
There's a churchyard.
And it quit raining all of a sudden.
Nah, sorry. Look over there at the churchyard over there. That used to be our lawn. We'd wash out
Yeah.
like that. Sorry, you got wet. Didn't mean to get you wet. You know, being a phone and all.
But now,
You
there's
know-
a small pond right in here. Small pond. Little one.
You keep saying that.
Big one over there, a little one here.
Oh,
And the watercress.
doesn't look like they're doing so hot.
Huh?
Crazy neighbor got this from Telecall for Jason.
Yeah.
He's like a little, and he's like a pot like that, but in there. Teehee.
Blue jay. That was a blue jay. Still a blue jay.
Okay, YouTube friend, I'm gonna go back inside. I'm cold.